pillows. Seriously. And I'm going to show you how to support your bones on your bed with pillows. The body really likes it when you think structure governs function. So structure means I'm going to be bending here at my hips, not at my waist. This is not really structure. This is soft tissue, if you get what I mean. Hips, hips. So structure, set my pillows up however I want. I bend at the hips, scoot back. So my structure is upright, okay? So far, so good, right? Butt back, nice bend at the hips. I can feel my bones. Now, it's kind of stiff, nice and stiff. I'm going to take this little guy and I'm going to press him down so that I can pick my rib bones, shoulder blade bones up, and I'm going to kind of drape them over the pillow. A bone thing again, okay? So here I am. My legs should be kind of open. You can cross them, not cross them. But here's the cool thing, is you can just set stuff up with all your pillows, laptop, whatever. Now, I'm going to tell you, when you do this, you're going to feel like, oh my God, I'm sitting up so tall. I feel so weird, because you're used to being. You right? Okay, butt back, bones right, bones right, bones right, bones right. And this is a really great time for you to work on your neck. Learn that this structure, shoulder bones, collar bones, all are going to be open, not lifted, open, and that you can put your hands on your chest, press down, and you can look down. You can start hinging at your neck. Got the computer, got the hinge. You'll feel a little stretch in here. This is normal neck bending. Yes, normal neck. They may not be very easy at first. So I am bending here. Cervical bones, open bones. Watch TV, whatever you want to do. You can also relax your head back into your hands. Rest your head bone. This is a great, great, great one. We'll do it for just a few seconds. Exhale. Let all my chest bones fall back to my spine bones. Let the weight fall into my hands. And then when I let go, everything lets go. So, for more of this, go to McCallmethod.com. See you later, alligator. Doo, doo, doo.